Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. Are you looking for a fun and creative way to decorate your home for Valentine's Day? If you want to impress your guest with a unique and beautiful Valentine's Day decors, or you tried to some old Valentine's Day decorations and want to try something new, then this video is for you. Please keep watching this video till ends, because in this video we will share the different amazing ideas that impress your guest with a unique and beautiful Valentine's Day decors. First of all, you can arrange your Valentine's Day dye floral arrangements and create a beautiful centerpieces for your Valentine's Day party by making your own floral arrangements. You can use the fresh flowers or artificial ones to create a stunning display that will impress your guest. Second is heart-shaped balloons, because heart-shaped balloons is very amazing and impressive ideas on those days. Add a touch of a whimsy to your Valentine's Day decors with the heart-shaped balloons. You can use them to create a balloons arch or simply scatter them around the room for a fun and a festive look. Next is a candlelights, very amazing and create a romantic atmosphere with the candlelights. Use the candles of a different size and the shapes to create a warm and inviting ambiances that will make your guest feel right at home. Next is a dye photo booth. Set up a dye photo booth with the Valentine's Day themes proper and the backdrop. Your guest will have the blast thinking photos and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Valentine's Day wreath. Create a beautiful Valentine's Day wreath to hug on your front doors or above your fireplace. You can use the fresh flowers, artificial flowers, or even paper hearts to create a unique and beautiful wreath that will impress your guest. You can decorate your parties and the Valentine's Day party decorations. Set up a stylish table scapes you can easily impress, because the tables of your these days very much and the romantic. Use your crafting skills to create a unique table decorations that match your party themes. You can make the cocktail stations signs and the coaster strings and the different cupcake toppers. Remember, a little goes a long way. You can create a dye invitations and organize a fun crafting activities. You can design your floral arrangements and the sweets treat and the craft eats. No Valentine's Day party is a complete without a sweet treat. The think heart-shaped pizza or a custom cookies. These are always hit, and for those with the sweets thought, how about crafting a special dessert stations? Here are some ideas to decorate the sweet treat and the craft eats for Valentine's Day. Number 1 is a heart-shaped desserts. Use the heart-shaped cookies and the cutters to create a heart-shaped dessert such as cake, brown, ice, and the cookies. You can also use the heart-shaped mold to make the chocolates or jellies. You can decorate with the edible flowers. Edible flowers like rose and the lavenders and the violets can add a romantic touch to your desserts. You can use them to decorate the cake and the cupcake or even cocktails. You can add a touch of a gold leaf on the edibles. Gold dust can add a luxurious touch to your desserts. You can use it to decorate the chocolates and the macarons or even cake. Next is use the Valentine's Day colors. Very amazing pink colors, white colors, and the red color also used in those days. Decorate your dessert with the red, pink, and the white colors to give them a Valentine's Day vibe. You can use the frosting and the sprinkles or edibles lanterns to add these colors to your desserts. You can create a dessert bar and personalize your dessert.